Want to elevate your tech career? Discover eMexo Technologies, your gateway to mastering Python right in Marathahalli. Python is your ticket to the tech revolution, building websites, analyzing data, automating tasks, and even diving into AI. Join our Python certification course and learn everything from core programming concepts to advanced frameworks like Django and Flask. Are you a student, developer, or just curious about coding? This course welcomes everyone eager to learn Python. Choose eMexo for your journey. Enjoy hands-on learning from certified trainers, real projects, and solid placement support. Complete your training with industry-ready skills and open doors to high-paying roles in tech, data, and web sectors. Limited seats available. Don't miss out. Call or WhatsApp +91 to 9513216462 or email us at info@emexotechnologies.com to secure your spot. Visit our website for more details. Let's get you started on your Python journey today. eMexo Technologies, transform your Python skills into a thriving career in Marathahalli, Bangalore. Work on real-world projects, gain practical experience that employers crave. Learn from the best, our trainers bring invaluable industry experience right to your learning experience. Busy schedule? Choose from various batch timings and formats, online or offline to fit your life. Join our alumni who have landed their dream jobs, thanks to comprehensive training and dedicated support. From startups to tech giants, Python's versatility means diverse job roles await you. Don't miss this chance.